Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can customize your Google Chrome's background theme. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to customize your Chrome's background theme, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Google Chrome. By the way guys, before I start showing you how to customize your background, first, I want you to make sure that your Google Chrome version is up to date, because if it's not, the feature to customize your background might not be available, so make sure that it is updated. So once you're already sure that your Chrome version is updated, let me now show you how to customize your background. So to do it, first, I want you to click the Customize Chrome button on the bottom right corner of your homepage. Then after that, go to Change Theme. After going to Change Theme, you will then be able to see many different Chrome background you can use, and you can also use your own saved images on your device as a background. So to use the images that you've saved on your device as a background, just click Upload an image. Then after that, you will be directed to your File Explorer, so just go to the location where your image is saved. And once you've found your image, you can now select it. And after selecting, click Open to completely set the image as you Chrome's background. And then there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, your Google Chrome's background will now be changed depending on the image you've selected. And if you want to turn the background to the default Chrome once again, just click this, then select Reset to Default Chrome, and then your background will be reset to default. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.